And there is the Franz Josef Glacier from right outside our balcony in our hotel room. The sky is cloudy, so, you know, there's the contrast between the sky and the top of the glacier is pretty washed out, but there it is. Here we are. Beautiful. Whew, all right, first day driving on the left. Did okay. Some cars wanted to go faster. The roads are pretty windy, but did my best. So, have a little cocktail, and we're gonna walk over and have dinner. See you later. It's a Tasman Sea, but it's like Bruce Bay or something. Look at those waves. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, hon, what do you think? Pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Man, it's raining today, but, you know, still a beautiful place. All right, see you down the trail. There we go. The Tasman Sea. Pretty cool. Billy Falls. Beautiful. Look at this place. It's gorgeous. Wow. And we've got Patty out here. She's having fun. Here is the river that's at the bottom of the falls. There's the falls. Let me zoom in. There's the river. Remember the name of the falls, hon? Roaring Billy? I don't know, something like that. Roaring Billy.
Roaring Billy?
Yeah.
Look at the color of that water.
Wow.
I bet it's very cold.
I bet it is. We'll get those black flies again. Falls. Mountaintops. Hard to see because it's foggy. It's been raining hard. I'm driving along New Zealand 6, driving south on the west coast. Patty's looking at rocks. Find some gold, hon. All right, we'll see you down the trail. And here we have a field of Karens. People are balancing rocks. Pretty cool. And over here, we have Fantail Falls. Just gotta make sure I don't knock over any of these Karens. Ooh, two rocks. Alright, pretty cool. Very nice. Oh, that's video, so I could take a picture, but hold on. Full river. Stream. Coming down the mountain. Again, Fantail Falls. Yeah, gorgeous. Stop to see the blue pools. That bridge is out. It's like an hour walk anyway, but look at, there's a glacier. That's cool. In the blue pools parking lot. I don't know what glacier it is, but we got mountains all around us. It's just hard to see because cloudy today. All right, back to Lake Wanaka.